friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your curbside video right till June the 1st. So if you wish to do these deals, try and throw them into your cart by June the 1st and drive to your store and get them. What a curbside deal is for all the new shoppers is that you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app on your cell phone, desktop computer, or tablet, putting it into a basket, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, and then driving to the store to pick up your order, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Now, if you're the kind of shopper that you prefer to do in-store deals, there's many, and I went in-store yesterday and did a couple of deals. You might want to check it out. I will link this video at the very end, and I even do one with the 2 different boosters. You might want to check that out. Now, online and in-store, lots of the candy is at 50%. And for many of you who have been sharing in the comments and sharing over on Instagram with me, some stores, some of the candies even at 90% off in store, including this that are the Patriotic Kisses. So it's this larger bag, probably found on those that little aisle with all the summer stuff. So this is like 4th of July looking, and they're 49 cents. The original price is $4.99. And many of you are reporting that it's hitting clearance. So you would just grab one of these bags, go up to the cash register and say, "May I have a price check?" And if it's 49 cents, it's rock and roll time. But ask for that price check before you buy. Obviously be smart. And it's the 10.1 ounce bag. That is in store only. So if you're going to go pick up your curbside order, keep an eye out for these chocolates. And if this is your thing, they don't expire, I think, until like December. So you'd have your Hershey's Kisses for a while. Okay, so deal number 1, curbside. You need your best friend loaded, which is a 5 back when you spend 27. This is a weird one because in the app it says it's expiring today. So you'd have to put your order in today. First item we're grabbing is this massive Tide for $15.99. Original price almost $22. We have a $4 digital coupon that is attaching. So please make sure you have this guy loaded. I mean, how fantastic is that? And then we're going to get one of these Downy Rinse and Refresh for $7.49. And for this guy, we have another digital coupon, which is $2.55 off. This is like magic in a bottle for towels or sheets. I love this product. It's fantastic. Now, it's on this weird promotion of spend 20, get back 5. So make sure that the scents that you're grabbing, this is below the item. And then we're going to grab 2 of these Essie nail polishes for $9.99. And choose whichever color you want. I went with this really light one. We have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon, and this one is a manufacturer. And there's also a Walgreens coupon that's attaching, which is a $2 off each. So that is really quite fantastic. Just to show you guys my beautiful little chorus line, here it is. All the digital coupons melting off as described. So that's why many of us love curbside, because there's no mystery to it. The total was $43.46. Instant savings coming off, free curbside pickup, tax, your coupons. With your debit card, you're going to pay $26.44. And then you're getting back $15 in Walgreens cash. For the P&G 5, your booster 5, and then for the Essie nail polishes another 5. As you're using that spend booster, you got to use your debit card for the balance. Do not use Walgreens cash. Okay, so now we have deal 1.5. You're going to need your best friend again loaded, 5 back when you spend 27, and then make sure every item that you're grabbing, see that little thing that says earn 5 when you spend 20? That has to show up below the products that you're putting, because there might be a certain scent or whatever that you're grabbing, and it's like, it's not included. So there's no surprises. Just really pay attention when you're looking at the items in the old Walgreens app. So the first item that we're going to grab, guys, is this, and it is the Olay Fancy Body Wash. It comes in various scents, but this one is $12.99. So 2 of them is $25.98. We have this 7 off 2 digital coupon. Now, I know that a lot of people are saying, go and apply for the IBOTTA rebate with this, or there's another one that you can get an IBOTTA rebate, but the IBOTTA rebate excludes the use of a digital coupon, and I know a lot of you have had your accounts deactivated for doing that. IBOTTA's not messing around, so I just would not submit it to IBOTTA because I don't want trouble and I don't want to lose my IBOTTA account. Then we're also going to grab one of these Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $4 on the nose. This is a weird one because there's a $4 digital coupon attaching, making this guy completely for free. So if you can find this guy, definitely throw it in the cart because it helps to balance out the math for this one. So how fantastic is that? To show you our little chorus line here, $4, $7, $1.90 off too with WAG10. Let's not forget to use that little coupon code. And then the overall balance is $29.98. We're still at 27 bucks. Free curbside pickup, tax, $11 melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $18.76 and get back 10 bucks in Walgreens cash, 5 for the P&G, 5 for the booster. So like $9 for, that beautiful body wash. I mean, it's just a fantastic thing. And the Crest toothpaste. Okay, next deal we're going to look at is deal number 2. For this one, we're going to grab one of these Aveeno hand lotions for $4.29. Now, a lot of us got a very high value digital coupon for Aveeno that is this. It's a $3 off, but if you can find a $3 product that's attaching in your region, I would make the item for free, but that's the cheapest item I could find. And then 2 of these Essie nail polishes. Forgive me, it's to spend 15, get back 5 on this. So that's what it is, and the word spend is in there as well. So let's not forget that you have to pay down the balance with your debit card for spend offers at Walgreens. We have this 6 off 2 manufacturer, and we also have an IBC coupon that is this $2 off. So make sure you have both of those guys loaded. To show you the pretty little chorus line here, boom, boom, boom. Use the code WAG10 as well for an extra $13 off. And then just to show you this, it's $24.27. IVCs, $9 off, $11.29. You'll have to pay that with your debit card to get $5 back for the spend 15, get back 5 for Essie. If you don't care about getting your $5 back though, just use 10 bucks of Walgreens cash. So $1.29 for your basket, but I know that a lot of you want to get the Walgreens cash back. It says spend in the Essie fine print, so just be mindful of that. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 3. For this one, you're going to need your best friend loaded, which is the 5 back when you spend 27. And the first couple items we're going to grab are some of the NYX. It's called Filler Instinct Plumping Lip Polish. I think based on that title, that's why they put it on clearance. We're grabbing 2 of those. And then we have this 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Please make sure you have it loaded. Head over to your Fetch Rewards. I have 1,500 points when I buy one NYX product. The limit for this is only 1, but if your account has multiples, that's fantastic. But I only have the 1, so I'm getting 1,500 points, which is basically like $1.50 back. Love Fetch Rewards. They allow you to use manufacturers with their rebate app, and they're like, submit all your receipts. So they are pretty cool. We're also going to throw in one of these Scots for $5. Yesterday we got this G-word coupon, which is a $2 off, which is attaching. So that is pretty fantastic. And then we're going to throw in 10 of these Lay's potato chips. I just went with original, but you can mix and match. They're buy one, get one free, which is really fantastic. And then we have a 3 off of 5. So that's why I went with 10. So you're going to get $3 off your little order. To show you the magic here, there's all your coupons and WAG10. Let's not forget to throw that into the mix. Your overall total is $31.53. $2.29 of instant savings, free curbside pickup, tax, $8.58 of digitals melting off. You're going to pay $21.16 with your debit card as you're using a booster, and then you're getting back 5. Ask the cashier to process this through a regular cash register so you can get your receipt to photograph it for that $1.50 back from the Fetch Rewards app. How fantastic is this? There's so many deals this week over at Walgreens. Guys, I might have to do a second video on curbside because it's like deals, 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 deals. Loving it. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.